Cedric.
I know that I'm working about.
Okay, let's try this again. Can you hear me? Hold on, something. Stop, please. Gonna mess your teeth up. Hi, Chris. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, William. You can hear me. Chris, can you hear me? Okay, say something back, Chris.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm muted. Okay, Emma, say something.
Hi.
Thank you, Emma. Oh, wonderful. There we go. All right. Okay, cool. Now let's here. Now, can we hear? Much better. Good. Okay, fixed it. Great day. We spent like 5 minutes trying to fix sound. Okay, good job, though. Great job, great job, great job. Good morning, good morning, good morning. That's on them. That ain't on me. That ain't on me. No. All right, open up your math books. We're going to start the day off with our word of our number of the day. Everybody say number of the day. Very good. Hopefully somebody fixed that sound up there, reverbing. Oh, it's white paper. There we go. Take out your notebooks. We're doing number of the day. Today is, somebody can tell me today's date. 13. Today is 11. 13. 20. Number of the day. Today's number is 47. Can someone read that for me? Very good. 47 and 20. That's decimal, say and. No. It's not decimals and. The decimal, instead of saying decimal, you say the word and. Hundreds. Okay, it's 47 and 25 hundredths. Let's write it in word form. Let's go, write in word form. What would that look like in word form? You get it on your paper right quick, and then somebody tell me what I'm supposed to do to it. Pardon me? There's W-O-R-D, F-O-R-M, form, word form. I'm going to count down from 10, and I may cheat. So that means you need to be writing faster than you're writing. And somebody get ready to tell me what I need to write. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What am I supposed to write? Someone. Dawes, saw your hand. And I saw somebody's hand over there, but I want Dawes. Dawes. Tell me what I write. F O R T Y. Somebody help her? Hyphen, very good. S E B. Okay, very good. 47 and
25.
Very good. Spell 25. Whoever said it online, Shanice, that was you?
Yes, ma'am.
Start spelling 25 for me.
T-W-E-N-T-Y.
That's a speller right there. What else am I supposed to have?
F-I-V-E.
Hyphen. And now it's F-I-B-E. Okay, what about these 25? What is it? All right. Jonathan, spell it for me.
T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D-T-H.
Very good. That's a speller. You spell like I'm not slow. Very good. I like that. Good job. Good job. Good job. Give yourself a hand clap. One clap. One clap. Two claps. Great job. Moving on. What we going to do next for this number? What's our number? 47 and 25,000. When I say this, what's our number? I'm talking to everybody, and I need to hear everybody. Okay? All right. So our next thing, we're going to write it in expanded form. But this time, I want my decimal written in fractions. I want my decimals written in fractions. Okay, get ready to write. Get ready to write if you know what you're doing. Get ready to write. Get ready to write. What's wrong, sweetie? I don't care about that blind. That has nothing to do with what we're doing right now. What we're doing right now. Word of the what? Number of the day. I wish it was a word of the day. Number of the day. Number of the day. That blind has nothing to do with the number of the day. So we ain't focusing on that. All right, we ready? Somebody need to talk to Sally. Let's talk to me. We ready? All right. Somebody talk to me. Tell me what's my expanded form. What I need to write.
4.
4. What else? 0 plus 7 plus 2. No, times 1/10 plus 5 times 1/100. That's what I mean when I say I want to see an infraction, my decimals in fraction. Okay? Do y'all see that question? Well, but did I put thousands? Thank you for fixing that, because that's not thousands place, is it? Oh, wow, that's the hundreds place. Thank you. Remind me Monday to give you $1 for fixing that. All right, you just earned $1 today. It's hundreds. Please don't be afraid to tell me that I made a mistake, people, because I'm human too, okay? I make mistakes and I be going so fast, and that what happens with you guys too. You may be going so fast, you made what's called a careless mistake. And that would be considered a careless mistake because I'm going so fast, and that's not in the thousands place, it's in the hundreds place. So you earned $1 for correcting the teacher. Thank you. All right, so our next time is, let's do 10 times as much. 10 times as much. 10 times as much. So we doing 10 times as much. What would 47 and 25/100 be 10 times as much? No, I said 10 times as much. Remember, you moving that decimal point somewhere. Look in your notes. Thank you, Alfredo, for going back to your notes to see which way that decimal point need to be moved. We're not adding. Very good, Emma. Very good. We right this time, Emma. We right. So Emma said the answer is 472 and 5/10. Very good. 472 and 5/10. Now we need to do 1/10 as much. What's 1/10 as much? What is this number 1/10 as much? 1/10, okay, you want to go, Alfredo? Very good. 4,725,000. See, when you're doing 10 times as much, you move it this way. And if you're doing it 1/10 as much, you move the decimal point that way. Okay, look at your nose. Hello? Teaching? Yes, teaching Matt. Hold on. What you say? I can't hear you. What? Oh, or a child, $1. My money's in the car. In the car. Yes. Okay. I'll call you. Okay, we'll do. Bye-bye. All right, Mr. Johnson just called. He's putting up $5. And I'm gonna tell you what that is, number of the day. So let's go back to Tuesday's number of the day. And we need to add today's number of the day to Tuesday's number of the day. Then we had a number of the day for Tuesday. Okay, I didn't think I was the only one in class that day. We had a number of the day on Tuesday, and we had a number of the day today. And we're going to add the two together. And the first person to give me that answer that was you, Alfredo. Okay, Alfredo say it's okay. You sure, Alfredo? What that say? That says add to Tuesday's number of the day. We know what Tuesday's number of the day was. That means you need to go back into your notes. I just went back into my notes to find out what Tuesday's number of the day, and we're going to add it to today's number of the day. And let me see, somebody got it on here. Somebody chat me the right answer. No, let's see. Go back. $5 is on the line. I wouldn't yell my answer out. I wouldn't yell my answer out. And whoever's in Miss Darby room, whoever the first one get to me, that's who get the $5. Miss Darby, if you don't mind, let them exit the classroom. The first person with the correct answer. You ready? That ain't it. Bring it to me. Don't yell it out. That is not it. I said Tuesday's number of the day. That's not it. That's not it. Not it. Close, but not it. Close, but not it. Let me see. Wait a minute. Let me see your Tuesday number, because my Tuesday number is something else. Let me see your Tuesday number look like. Let me find my Tuesday's work. Sick it now. My number wrong. Hold on. I got it. Let me see what you had first time. You got it.
Let's go.
Let me see what you got. That's not it. So close. So close. What is the answer? Oh no. All right. Very good. All right, gang. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. No, that ain't it. That ain't it. That ain't it. Jordan. Come here, let me show you. Close. All right, so we got a winner. We got a winner. Nobody in the chat hit me the answer from Tuesday. That's why you should keep your notes. Close my door. That's why you should keep your notes. You never know. I didn't know he was going to call me today. Well, I didn't know he was gonna call me at that time, this time, particular time. But he called, he said, you got cash on you? I said, my money in the car. Okay, so I gotta give you $5. I give you $1. So I gotta go to the car and get it. Unless y'all can wait till Monday. So I'm gonna go with my car. You crazy, you ain't going to my car, boy. I know you ain't because you ain't going to my car. All right, so let's look at the number of the day. The number of the day from Tuesday was this. 83.4. It was 83.4. Today's number is 47.25. And I said to add it. There's a 5. 4 plus 2 is 6. I already dropped my decimal point. 7 and 3 is 10. Carry the 1. 1 and 8. 9 plus 4 more. 13. The answer is 135. I didn't say your answer was wrong if you got that answer. I said the first person to show me. That's what I said, right? First person to show me. He showed me, but my word, I went to the wrong page. In my book, I had a totally different number, but the same digits. But he showed me the right answer first. I did see his first, and I saw Zacharias second. Y'all got me? So I'm doing it fair. But that's your word today. Let's get ready. Let's see who's gonna make $1. You see, that's $6. I'm finna do a whole 10. Come on, let's see who's finna make $1. Yell out, yell out, yell out, yell out. Ready? 6 times. What you see? 0. Okay. 6 times.
30.
Very good. 30. 6 times. 24. 6 times.
6.
Very good. 6 times. 42. 6 times. 12. 6 times. 6. Very good. 6 times.
0.
Very good. 6 times. 36. Very good. 6 times.
6.
Very good. Oh, wild card. Very good.
0.
Not 6, 0.
18.
18.
30.
30. 30. Yes, 30. Oh, wild card. Something on the wild card. That's 6 times 10.
60.
Get it faster. 54. Wild card, 6 times 12. There you go. Look at the wall. 12. Good job. 24. Good job. Go on, Octavia. Huh? 38. 54. 48. 42.
51.
48. I'm cheating.
Some of y'all aren't even trying. You're trying.
I'll see you later. Have a great
$84.
84. Go on, get you $1 there. There you go. Jonathan got that $1. All right. Carter, we got that dollar. Keep your tally how much money I owe you. You got $6. Okay. All right. Very good. Do y'all remember when we talked about rounding? What's the rules to rounding?
If it's lower than the line, you gotta take away.
The devil is a liar. Fix it. The devil is a liar. Not today. Fix it. Rules for rounding. If it's the digits is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, stay the same. If the digits are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, go up 1 or add 1. What's going to happen to those digits? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What's going to happen to them?
I'll turn to 0.
Very good, William. They're all going to turn to 0. If that digit is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and it's talking to the digit that's supposed to round, those digits will turn to 0. Okay? So, what you're talking about, Miss Adams, this is what I'm talking about. Our number today was 47 and 2500. I need to round to the nearest, I need to round to the nearest 10. Okay, I need to round to the nearest 10s. What digit is in the tens place?
4.
2.
Look what it says. Let's say tens.
4.
What digit is in the 10? 4. Very good. It's the 4. Who's talking to the 4? The 7 is talking to the 4. If the 7's talking to the 4, the 7's telling the 4 to do what? Go up 1. So 1 plus 4 is? 1 plus 4? 1 plus 4
5.
is 5. And everything back here gets to get the X.
0.
Zeros. Write it down. Write it down if you need to. Write it down if you need to. The 7 tells it to go up 1. Tells the 4 to go to 5. Everybody else cancels out. Turns to zeros. Write it down if you need to. All right. We're going to start off with the same number. 47 and 2500. I'm rounding to the nearest tenths. Rounding to the nearest tenths. So what digit is in the tenths place? The 2 is in the tenths place. Who's talking to the 2? Very good. The 5. The 5 is talking to the 2. What the 5 is saying?
Go down.
The 5 is telling to do what? So 2 plus 1 is 3. What's going to happen to the 5?
0.
0. What happens to everything else in the front? It stays the same. Very good. You just bring it on down. Stays the same. Do y'all see that? 47 and 2500 rounded to the nearest 10th is 47 and 30 hundredths.
So add 500 and
Huh? No, we're not adding anything. No, I'm rounding. We're through with adding for right now. I want you to see rounding. Do y'all see that? Need to do another one? I can. Thank you. I can. Let's do another one. This time I'm gonna give a big number. All right, that's a number. Can somebody read that number?
3,241 and 279,000.
Yes. 3,241 and 279 thousandths. Because the 9 is in the thousands place, and that gives you its name. Thousands. Okay? So I want to round to the nearest ones. I want to round to the nearest ones. What digit is in the ones place? The 1 is in the ones place because this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Tenths, hundreds, that means tenths, hundreds, thousandths. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Ones place is the 1. Who's talking to the 1? The 2 behind him. The 2 talks to the 1 and tells the 1 to do what? Excuse me, look at your notes. Stay the same. So what's happening to the numbers in front?
Okay.
Come down. So it's going to be 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 4. The 1 stays the same. Decimal point. What happened to the 279?
Go 0.
Very good. They turn to zeros. Are there any questions?
No, ma'am.
Because don't come later to myself. Well, I didn't understand, Miss Adams. Very good, Emma. So now I'm going to go to the hundreds place. What digit is in the hundreds place? Which 2? The 2 in the front, the whole number 2. Love that answer. The whole number 2. There it is. So, who's talking to the 2? Always them behind. The 4 is talking to the 2. What's the 4 telling the 2 to do? Stay the same. What's going to happen to the 3?
It's gonna go down.
This 3 going to come on down. So it's 3. What's happening to the 2?
Stacy.
Stay the same. What's happening to the 4, 1, 2, 7, 9?
0.
Zeros. Decimal point. Don't forget your decimal point if there's a decimal point, guys. Y'all see this? Okay. So the next one is going to be the hundredths place. Hundredths place. What digits in the hundredths place?
7.
7. Who's talking to the 7?
9.
Very good. The 9. I like people that talk back to me. Thank you. So the 9 tell the 7 to do what?
Go up.
So the 7 turns into a
8.
8. And what happens to the 9?
Turns to a 0.
Turns to 0. What happens to the 2, 1, 4, 2, 3?
They go down.
Go down.
They stay the same. Just bring it on down. 2.142, comma 3. That's the answer. Are y'all understanding? Are you grasping concepts? Grasping concepts?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes.
All right now. We grasping concepts, and I heard yes about 1,500 times because I kept asking. Are there any questions from
No,
anybody?
ma'am.
Any questions from anybody? Because I'm going to throw you in the fire now. I believe in throwing you in the fire. I believe in equipping you with what you need. And now I'm finna throw you into the fire. Figurative language, baby. I ain't finna put you in no fire for real. That means I'm finna put you to work. I'm finna make you do some problems on your own. Oh, so you should have your math book out and you should turn your math book to page 379. My virtual students, you have an assignment in Freckle. Today's due. And you have also page 379 in your Savas Real Life. That's due today. Graded assignment in Freckle. It's a graded assignment in Freckle. Today's assignment, I need to know what you know. From your book, I need to know what you know. But you better do it so I can know what you know. You got me? Because if you already know how to round, should we spend all day on rounding? Hello? No. Guess what? You better make sure it's right. If you already has 379 done in your book, that means half the battle is won. So let me write it on the page now. Page 379, numbers 1 through 6 in your math book. And for virtual, your Savas Realize.com is already pushed out to you. And you also have a Freckle adding decimal assignment. And virtual students, you have Freckle adding decimal also.com. That assignment's been pushed out to you today as well. That's your assignment for today. I don't think I need to hold you any longer because you need to be getting started and working. There's no need for you to hear my voice any longer. There's no need. We had an awesome day. We went through our day. We talked about the word of the day. We hit some things. We talked about rounding and we talked about adding decimals and so forth. So we've done well today. Great job, guys. Give yourselves one clap. Give yourself one more clap. Give yourself 1, 2 clap. Great job. Have a awesome super weekend, but I shall see you at 2:00 today. I will see you at 2:00 today because you have a science quiz, pop quiz. You have a pop quiz in science today. I need to know what you have retained. Pop quiz. So have a great day, guys. Any questions before I log off? Any questions before I log off?
No, ma'am.
All right, very good. Thank you for responding. Have an awesome evening, day, rest of the day, and I shall see you at 11:20 in Ms. Darby's class, and I shall see you at 2:00 in science.